Așadar, vreau să vă spun că cel pe care vrem să-l auzim, cel pe care fanii Nikon vor neapărat să audă, doamnelor și domnilor, un om special pentru noi, general manager Nikon Europa, Masaaki Asai!
Bună seara, ladies and gentlemen. I am Masaaki Asai, coming from Amsterdam, Nikon Europe BV, and I'm responsible for the sales and product planning for Europe. Today, I am very honored to be present here, and I'm very pleased to meet all the Nikon families in Bucharest. Today is the third anniversary of Skin. And Camille, congratulations on that. And I am really thankful to you and also all the Skin team for your great efforts and great success in the past 3 years. Thank you so much. 3 years ago, Nikon business here in Romania was really limited, or I may say it was nearly nothing. But today, our Nikon market share of DSLR camera is coming to the 60%, and compact camera is nearly 40%, and this is really incredible success, which is never ever achieved in somewhere else. So it is really a marvelous result. And I believe this success was achieved with the very close communication with their customers and also very tight relationship and very serious consideration to the market, and also the very quick action to the problems. And on top of that, without support from all of you, I think it cannot be achieved. So taking this opportunity, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all of you. Thank you very much. So now I am really satisfied with the situation in Romania, but actually I had one concern about it. That was, after getting such a huge market share, how Skin or Nikon can grow in this market. That was really only one but a big concern for me. But coming to Bucharest, and actually it is the first time for me to come here, I realized that people here is very animated, very alive, very active, and I felt and I convinced there's a big potentiality here still to grow, and yes, I believe we can expand the market itself, maybe with our own efforts, right, Camille? And yes, today I don't have any concern about it. Speaking a little bit worldwide market situation, 2 years ago, as you know, the Lehman shock gave us the big impact. And everybody has suffered and had a very difficult time. And but unfortunately, Nikon, yes, we had also a very difficult time, but fortunately, in the last 2 years, we could have improved our market position very drastically. And as you know, in the DSLR market, Nikon has been a key player always in the past. But in the compact camera field, I must accept that Nikon has not been the very important, most important players. But in the past 2 years, we improved the position. In Europe, we had a rather low market share, but now we have 10% market share in total Europe for the consumer compact cameras. In the Asian countries, more than 10%, and in the United States, recently more than 20% market share. So the situation for us is really becoming better. And it is supported by all the new products we have been introducing last 2 years. And from the last month, from the middle of August, again we announced 2 digital SLR cameras and 4 TrueFix cameras and 6 lenses and 1 speedlight. And all the details will be explained later by my colleague, but I must say all those new products have the variety of features to meet all the demand from the various customers. So, ladies and gentlemen coming here, if you are coming from the sales side, from the stores, I think you can be confident to sell our product to the customers to meet their demand. If you come from press side, media, then please check it out and please evaluate it and please publish it correctly. And if you are a user, photographer, please try it out, and I'm sure you will find something to meet with your demand for your photography. So, last but not least, I would appreciate all the support given all of you, and it is very important to have the mutual support, and I hope and I believe every year we can have this meeting and we can further strengthen our relationship every year. Thank you very much.
Masat Yasai, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. Mulțumim foarte mult. Până se pregătește următorul moment de aprobație, vreau să